Hi there, students. Redress. To redress as a verb. Redress as a noun. Very commonly as well in the phrase to make redress. So to redress, to set right something that is wrong. To correct it. I was very rude to you yesterday, and I would like to try and redress that by apologising. The toilet doesn't work, and we must redress that. We must mend it. We must make it work again. Okay, to redress, to compensate, to make amends for, compensation for a wrong. So I broke your laptop by spilling coffee into the keyboard, and now it doesn't work. So I have bought you a new laptop to make redress. The ex-employee went to court to seek redress for unfair dismissal from his job. So, redress. To set right something that is morally wrong. To stop a wrong or an injury from continuing. And then compensation for a wrong or an injury. So the new law hopes to redress the equilibrium of power between the employer and the employee. The roof is leaking and we must redress that. We must fix that. Victims of the accident are asking for redress from the government, compensation. Now, it's also possible to use this verb to redress, or the noun, to mean to take revenge, revenge. So, I am going to get redress for the humiliation that he put me through last week. Some people say that an eye for an eye is true redress, but in the end that helps nobody. He campaigns continuously to redress injustice wherever it exists, to stop it and make it equal again. So to redress, to rectify, to correct, to put right, to compensate, to recompense, to make up for. We also have a common phrase, to redress the balance. So literally to redress the balance. Put something on the other side so it balances properly. Meaning to restore equality to a situation. My team was losing by 1 goal, but they soon redressed that situation. They soon redressed that. They scored. They made it equal again. The equilibrium of our ecosystem is breaking down, and we need to redress the balance. To redress the balance of power between two groups. To redress the difference between the amount of work you do and the small amount you get paid. Okay, to redress is a regular verb. He redressed the problem. He has redressed all injury caused. I'd probably give it something like a 6 or a 6.5 informality. I think in an informal conversation, to set right, to compensate, to make up for. I think these are less formal words for redress. And then what about the origin? Well, it comes from Old French, redresser with a C, meaning to set up again. And this is clearly related to the word to dress, to put on clothes. Okay, so to redress, to make something equal again, to resolve a problem, a wrong, an injury, and then to compensate, to make up for something. Very often money, but not always. So there you go. This should redress any deficiency you may have had with the meaning of the word redress. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Redress.